Olympiad mathematics equation of exponential equation. The equation was, or solve for x when you are given 2 to the exponent of x plus 1, then minus 3 to the power of 2x, then this is equals to 0. So if you can look at our equation, you can simply tell that indeed our bases are not even the same. So what we do, I'm going to take that 3 to the exponent of 2x to that other side. Then it means I'm going to have 2. I'm going to have 2 to the exponent of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the exponent of what? Of 2x. And we know from our law of exponent that if we have got a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m, this is the same as a to the power of n plus m. It says when the bases are the same, with this multiplication, we add the exponent. Now we want to reverse from that one of addition of the exponent back to this one of a times n, a times m, where a to the a is raised to the power n and m is raised to the power m. Then it means this one we can write it as 2 to the exponent of x multiplied by 2 to the exponent multiplied by 2 to the exponent of 1 multiplied by, we said is going to be multiplied by what? By 2 to the exponent of 1. Then this is equals to 3 to the exponent of 2x. So ourselves, we have to eliminate everything, and we take the ones that have got exponent of x to the same side. It means we're going to divide both sides by 2 to the exponent of x. We're going to divide both sides by 2 to the exponent of x. Then this one and this one, they will cancel each other. Then we'll be left with what? We'll be left with the 2 is equals to, this is 3 to the exponent of 2x, or divided by 2 to the exponent of x. So from our rule of exponent, from our laws of exponent again, it says if we've got a to the power of n, it says if we've got a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this one we can make them to share the same exponent. So it means we're going to have 2 is equals to 3 to the exponent of 2 divided by 2, all raised to the power of what? Of x. So this is equals to 2 into, this one is the same as 9 over 2 raised to the power x. Then this one is going to be 2 equals to 9 over 2 is nothing but what? 4, 5 raised to the power x. Remember that is not a multiplication, is a 0.4.5. So even on your calculator, when you say 9 over that one, you're going to get that. So this implies that we can just swap and say this is 4.5 to the exponent of x is equals to what? 2. So ourselves, remember our aim is to solve for what? For x. So ourselves, we're going to introduce the log both sides. We're going to have we're going to have log into 4,5 with the exponent of x is equals to log 2. Then remember, from the log rule ourselves, we know that if we have log a to the exponent of b, this is the same as b log a. Then it means, by doing so, it means this is the same as x log 4,5 is equals to log 2. Then our aim is not to solve for x log 4,5. Our aim is to solve for x. By doing so, it means we have to divide by everything that doesn't have x. Then we're going to divide both sides by log 4,5. Divide both sides by log 4,5. Then this one and this one cancel each other. Then we have our x is equals to log 2 divided by log 4,5. Then we apply the rule which is called the changing base law. So it says if we've got log a divided by log b, this is the same as log, the one on the denominator, it becomes the base, and the one on the numerator, it becomes an exponent. Then that rule is called the changing base law. Then it means here we're going to have nothing but x is equals to log 4,5 to the exponent 2. Then we press our calculator. We'll see our log under the on button. This is 4,5 to the exponent of 2. Then our solution is going to be equals to 0.460 8454206. Therefore, our x is approximately 0.46. So on this stage, where there is a x, if we try to put 0.46, then it means we're going to have 2 to the power of 0.46 plus 1. Then it will give us 2,75. Then when we say 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 times 0.46, and it is also going to give us 2.75 when we round it. It means our x is approximately 0.46 is our real solution. Thank you very much for your time, and like and subscribe.